completely immaculate. Completely immaculate, like something dropped from heaven. Absolutely gorgeous day in San Antonio, Texas, at the Riverwalk. Absolutely gorgeous. Multi-level bridge is there's so many stairs and bridges around here. The Alamo in San Antonio, Texas is going to see a part of the Riverwalk, and let's go. Something surreal about walking through this space. See how important this Riverwalk is for the town. I mean, here you've got two people. Barely see them because it's dark. Post is completely detached from the stairs, both sides. Detached. It's only attached at the very end. These things are about to come off. This railing, if someone just kind of leaned on it the wrong way. This is steps going down to the Riverwalk. They're inferior steps. The metal pieces, they're not, I just stepped on one and one was loose. Here's one sign along the river walk. It's about, I think it's about a duck. And the thing about, and when you install anything that's physical, you got to make sure that it's maintained. And this one doesn't look like it's all that well maintained. The sun is going down and the lights are turned on. This is in front of a historical hotel. It looks like a historical hotel. So if you notice here on this level, the sidewalks are not, they're not completely upgraded or anything like that. In regards to maintenance, even though the Riverwalk level is immaculately maintained with the plants and everything, this level is not that immaculate, and it seems to be okay. It seems to be okay that not everything is treated equally as far as maintenance is concerned.